Hi everyone, welcome to this Zoho People tutorial video for HR teams, beginners and consultant. Today we are going to cover how to set up core organization structure in Zoho People. See, incorrect organization structure may leads you into error of payroll related to leave configurations and related to attendance and other time zone related information. Okay, so to set organization structure correctly, it's a foundation of any of the implementation process in Zoho People. Okay, so organization structure is a very important part to set up before onboarding the employee details. Okay, so today I'll walk you through in this session to how to set up a correct organization structure and how to avoid error or reworks after onboarding the employees. Okay, so let's get started. To configure the organization structure in Zoho People, we need to navigate into Zoho People account, manage accounts and organization setup. Okay, so here we need to set our organization related details like name and logo and website and all the registered details that we need to maintain in our organization structure. Okay, then organization structure, that we are having a two type of organization structure. One is a single entity, one is a multi-level entity organization structure. Okay, the difference between these two is if we are having only one legal entity and which is managing all the entire business, then we need to go with the single level business unit. Okay, but if we are having a multiple business units, multiple locations and multiple departments, if they are managing by only one legal entity and we can say a parent organization, then definitely we need a multi-level structure for our organization. So let's begin with the single level organization structure. So if you are configuring a single level organization structure, you can directly go to locations. From here, you can add locations as per your organization's locations. For example, I have already added two different locations for Ahmedabad and one is for Bangalore. To add any new location as per your requirement, you just need to go to add locations. You can add location detail from here, location code if you are following, mail alias, description, address and time zone. See, all the details are not mandatory, of course, but time zone is a suggested detail that you should be, you should enter it properly. Because if your company is having a business unit in a different location, the details regarding the time zone is very important detail, that this time zone will be following by this location and this location related time zone and attendance record will be depends on this time zone. So it is, of course, it's not mandatory, but it's suggested to add all the required details. So from here, after adding all the details, you just need to simply click on submit and you will see the data related to locations over here. Okay, if you are having a list of locations and if you are having a multiple locations, so avoid manual entries, we can directly import our locations from here. Okay, for that, download sample template. You just need to download the template. You can simply you just need to fill all the required details from here and upload file. So bulk upload will be possible with importing the details, and you will be able to see the location details from here in this screen only. So this about the location, and now next is department. In department related information, Sam, we need to add a new department from here. If you are if any of the department is following a parent department, so we can add details like that. So for example, if you are adding any department from here, so department lead, you can add you just need to add a department lead. Department lead is simple, that who will be the leading person for this department, like we can say that HOD for this department. So you can add HOD from here, parent department. If this particular department is under any particular department, so that department will be a parent department. So you just need to select if any department is following under the parent department. So you can set parent department from here and just can submit, and you will see the details regarding here. For example, I have created human resource department, and the human resource department will be reporting to management department directly. So management department will be parent department, and human resource department will be under the department name. For this department, of course, for the bulk data import, you can directly click on this import data. Just need to download sample template, just fill the required details and upload the file. Bulk information regarding the department will be possible, and it will be in this screen only. So this is for the department. Next is the designation. Designation related information. We just need to go to add designations, and designation name, designation code, mail alias. It's if any particular mail alias they are following for this designation, so you can add this, and you can add stream from here. So what is stream? Stream is like that that your designation is following that particular stream. For example, you have a designation for manager, you have a designation for senior, for example, any management person. Okay, so in which stream this designation is following? For example, junior level category, senior level category, or for operations level category, or management level categories, right? So if you want to filter out your data by the stream and designation wise, then you can add designation and stream at the same time. For example, if you are not able to see stream from here, so you just need to go to settings and employee information, and under employee information, under the policy, you will be able to enable and disable options for the stream level information. Okay, if you want to follow this stream level information under your organization, you just need to simply enable this option, or you can disable this option too. If designation, if you want stream with your designation, that you can enable this option from here. So stream with designation, let's have a look into it, that how it will work. Stream with designation will work. For example, if you are having a designation for senior manager, so a stream will be senior. So stream and designation both will be able to you will be able to see both the details in the same screen. That stream is this and designation is this. Okay, so these are the single level entity organization setup. Now we can check with multi-level organization structure. If you want to apply a multi-level organization structure for an organization, you just need to simply enable this option from here, and you will be able to see that how this structure will work. Okay, so simply we can say that this is a hierarchy of organization structure. You need to set a legal entity for that, business unit for that, and division for that. Okay, for example, my company, I have given a company name like Techvaria Software and Techvaria Consulting. Okay, so these are my company. Under this companies, my business units are working as a Odoo practice, Zoho practice, and corporate services. Okay, the different division I have added over here: Zoho People, Zoho CRMs, Odoo Consulting, and Odoo Custom Development. So these are the details that we have added as per our requirement. Let's get an example, and let's simplify the structure by reviewing this managed structure. See, Techvaria group of companies is my company detail that I have already added during my Zoho People signing. So this is my actual organization. No, name of my organization is Techvaria group of companies. So now Techvaria group of companies is having a two different companies, Techvaria Software and Zoho Practice. Sorry, it's a Techvaria Software. Okay, so my company Techvaria Software is managing two different business unit under that. One is Odoo Practice and one is Zoho Practice. So under Odoo Practice, we are having a two separate division like Zoho CRM and Odoo Consulting. Now Zoho Practice is managing Zoho People. So we can set our different organization structure with business unit, divisions, and company structure from here if you are having a multi-level organization structure. Okay, so that's it for the single level and multi-level organization structure setup in Zoho People. Okay, now before ending to this session, I would like to share some consulting tips with you that will help you while you are configuring the organization structure in Zoho People. Okay, so before onboarding the employee, you just need to double check your organization structure. If any of the data is missing or any of the information is incorrect, then it will directly leads to your error under other modules like leave, payroll, and attendance related data. Okay, so if you are having a multi-level department, a multi-level organization, and if you are have multiple departments and multiple locations, and if if your employees are working from remotely, okay, then you need to double check your time zone and time zone related information is correctly configured in Zoho organization structure. Okay, so all these details that we need to double check before onboarding the employee, and organization structure is a more impactful and more critical as well as a more sensitive data that will affect overall modules of Zoho People while implementing and configuring the other details related to your organization. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.